This is Rafe with Central Ops. Today here I have a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL that we put a Bestop Etop on. It's a one-touch, and we're one of the only dealers in Texas that install this, and it's one of the only certified dealers. You have to be a specific certified ETop dealer to be able to install this and to be able to have any warranty on it. So I'll walk you through on how to use it and what it looks like for this customer. Right now it's completely closed. We did some water testing on it, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So the way you open it up, if you come back in here, you want to get into the driver's position. If you come inside, you look at these two latches. There's going to be two latches right here, one on the passenger side. You open it up, this one just comes right off. And then same thing on this side. You probably want to pull it down with this grab handle so it comes loose. And then what you want to do to make sure that it works, for safety purposes, you're going to have the ignition on, not all the way turned on. The Jeep needs to be on position of the ignition. And then you press the brakes, and then you do close top, or open top, sorry. There it is, goes all the way back. And then that's its fully open position. So as you can see, you can take a look around it. It's absolutely beautiful. Great work of engineering from ETop or from Bestop themselves. It is water repellent. And then you just leave it folded down when you want to drive around town with no top on there. And then same thing goes for putting it back on. Same as you get back in your driver position, press the foot on the brake, and then you close it with this button. And as you can see, it'll close back up. And in all, it takes about, what, 10 seconds to open and close it. And then you just grab this grab handle, press the latch down, close. Same thing on this side, close, done. So if you want your Jeep to look like this, have a soft top that's one touch, give us a call at 833-268-2577. We're one of the only ETop dealers in DFW and Texas.